Wow, very nice. My first impression is that it's open, it's clean, it's functional, and it's nice and cozy. As soon as you come in, the living room is to the left, and immediately to the right, there is a restroom. Very nice. I like the colors. Now, as we travel through, we can either go upstairs, downstairs, or proceed into the dining room. And it's nice and spacious. I like the wood floors. Very nice. Very convenient for people that just want to get right to it and get things done. The house is pretty functional. I like the stainless steel appliances. I like how that island sticks out. And it makes an opportunity for you to sit there with friends and entertain. Now, this back is very nice. It opens up to woods, so it backs to trees, which is really nice for privacy. All right, proceeding through, we can either go back into the living room or we can go upstairs. Let's go upstairs. Very nice and clean. You can tell the family loved this house. All right. Now, the unique thing about this house is each room has an ensuite. This one has tile floor. Wonderful. And a shower. I love how they did the herringbone tile. All right, let's come back. Look at that detail. Crown molding on the bottom. Nice. Nice and open. Here is the primary bedroom. Very nice. Nice and open. A lot of space. I like the way they utilize their space. And wow, look at the herringbone tile on the floor. This bathroom is more like an experience. It's awesome. And look, a skylight. There was a lot of natural light in this bathroom. The other ones are well lit also, but it was really nice in this primary bath. All right, let's keep looking. Great job using the space. Let's go ahead downstairs. Love it. Very functional. Now you're in for a surprise because this basement is almost completely finished, but they used it in a really cool way, and you may see it as a possibility for your family too. There's a bed down here next to the fireplace. I thought that was pretty cozy. And there's a the basement is actually walkout, and you walk out onto a deck, which is really cool. And that also backs to trees. Wonderful. A lot of open space here. All right, this is a storage, which all of us need, so it's perfect. All right, wonderful. Washer and dryer downstairs. And there you have it.